Email 111 RK Roy versus email for the president.
In this case, the order dated 30th January 23 may available.
What is the subject matter?
Subject matter removal from service.
Huh?
Removal from service. And the moot question before the Lordship is whether the authority who has removed from service is competent or not. Now, in that regard, your Lordship has passed order 30th January 23. In compliance to this order, in compliance to that order, I have filed my response, and I am directly inviting to your Lordship's kind attention towards page 120.
Last time we have asked the respondent.
Lordships, they are here.
The pay scale of a senior divisional personnel officer and senior divisional engineer.
Order dated 2/3/23, Your Lordship, order number 16. Your Lordships, you have directed the senior divisional engineer and the personnel officer to be present as to who is the competent authority or disciplinary authority to impose the penalty. In light of appointing authority seems to be the senior personnel officer, Your Lordship. And it is the senior personnel officer who is the appointing authority, Your Lordship. Your Lordships, we have filed supplementary affidavit that is on 13/3/23. Your Lordships, I'll take your Lordships one by one. Your Lordships may come to Annexure B at page 9, Your Lordships.
What is the date of affidavit?
The date is, Your Lordships, is 5/4/91. The date of the affidavit, Your Lordship, 33/23.
33/23.
Your Lordship.
That which document you are
Your
relying?
Lordships may come to page 9, Annexure B, dated 5/4/91. This is the appointment, the initial appointment. At page 10, Your Lordships may see it is signed by the senior personnel officer, construction. And below that is his acceptance. I accept the offer on the term detailed above. Ram Kalevar Rai, sorry, Your Lordships. He signed it. Then, Your Lordships, the next document Your Lordships, will get at page 11. Now, dated 5th April 91 itself. Now, this document also, Your Lordships, has been signed by P.B. Mukherjee, Senior Personnel Officer, and Your Lordships had queried as to why is it that this has the approval of the competent authority. Now, the answer to that is, Your Lordship, because this letter has two purposes. First is his appointment and second is his posting. Now, Your Lordships, the personnel department appoints and then it is the engineering department where he is posted. Now, for posting, the approval had been taken from the competent authority of the engineering department. Therefore, this sentence, which has perhaps, Your Lordships, created some, and Your Lordships, below that, Your Lordships will see, you had made a query on the next page. Your Lordships will see, right at the bottom, Your Lordships has said P.B. Mukherjee for Chief Engineer. Now the same personnel officer is signing for the Chief Engineer. That is because Your Lordships will see from the previous page that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sub-clauses. 8 says, talks of the pass should be handed over to the staff concerned. Now this is with regard to the pass which he was to be given, going to join the duty. and there is the specific signature of the petitioner, and below that attested, and because the pass is issued by the engineering department, so therefore this signature is for chief engineer. Then your lordships, after the training, then again next page your lordships will see on successful, this is annexure 1 to the writ petition your lordships, on successful completion of training, then again stipend of Vedna hereby appointed, and this is again your lordships posting is involved. And therefore this has approved, therefore this sentence again appears, this has approval of the competent authority, because the posting is always with the approval of the engineering department. And that is why this has, and then again your lordships will see senior, signed by the senior personnel officer construction, this is the officer. And your lordships had asked as to the, then on the next page, your lordships, we have also brought on record this RB number 211 of 2002. Your lordships will see in the middle the authority, your lordships, determining of appointing authority regarding imposition of penalties of dismissal, etc. Now in the middle, your lordships will see the authority may be higher or lower in rank than the authority which are empowered to make appointment at the time of induction of the railway servant to the relevant grade or post, or the authority which actually appointed him to that grade post. Now your lordship, the authority, the senior divisional, the senior personnel officer, your lordships, is in the scale is in the senior scale, your lordships. And thereafter JA grade is higher than that, and the punishment has been awarded by the JA grade officer. So it's not a case where an officer below the appointing authority has given the punishment. And
What is this JAG grade?
junior administrative grade, your lordships, that your lordships will get at page 21, 24 is the schedule. I have annexed the schedule. Page 24, I have annexed the schedule.